This channel has more than 1.27 million subscribers and makes over $45,000 per month. They create videos with lively characters, captivating backgrounds, and stunning visuals. We can definitely excel at this and take it to the next level. In today's video, I will guide you through the simple steps to create amazing videos like these with impressive results. Make sure you watch until the end. Step 1, let's go to ChatGPT, a free tool. If you don't have an account yet, please sign up using the link in the description. Next, decide on the topic of your video. Today we will focus on domestic animals. Let's ask ChatGPT to write about 3 domestic animals. Once the script is ready, simply copy and paste it into your Word or Google Docs document. To add a voiceover, we can use the free video editing tool called Clipchamp. You can go to clipchamp.com and sign up for an account if you don't already have one. Once you log in, create a new project, navigate to record and create, and choose text-to-speech. From there, select your preferred language and voice style, and then click Save to Media. Drag the audio generated to the timeline and click Export. Please note that Clipchamp only exports MP4 files. So now that we have the script ready, in the third step, let's enhance our video by creating a speaking character. To do this, we recommend using Adobe Express, which is a great tool for designing animated characters. Simply search for Adobe Express Animator on Google, or use the link provided in the video's description. Once you're on the Adobe Express page, click on Create Now, and choose the Browse option to import the MP4 file we created using Clipchamp. For our video, let's select the hopscotch theme. To make our video more visually appealing, let's add a green screen background. Click on the Background tab and choose a custom green color. After selecting the background, click on Record and let Adobe work its magic. I'm really pleased with how it turned out. When you are satisfied with the result, go ahead and download the animated character video. It will be a valuable asset for the next steps of our project. In the fourth step, let's make your project even better by adding an animated background. To achieve this, we will utilize Canva as our preferred tool. Firstly, head over to canva.com and create an account if you don't have one already. Upon reaching the home page, select Videos, and then choose YouTube Videos. Next, you need to import the MP4 file which was created using Clipchamp. Afterward, drag and drop the file to the timeline. Now, to add a forest background, select Elements and search for Forest Background. Pick the one you prefer and resize it to cover the entire page. Lastly, we'll add animated trees to make the background more lively. Again, select Elements and search for Animated Trees. Choose the style you like and feel free to add more animated elements. Step 5. To begin, let's incorporate our domestic animals into the timeline. Add all 3 domestic animals from the Elements library. We need to animate each animal. Click on the first animal and select Animate at the top. Create an animation and draw how you want the animal to appear on the screen. Repeat this process for the other 2 animals. We want to make sure that each animal is shown at the right time on the screen. Right-click on the first animal, select Show Timings, and drag the timing on the timeline to start when our voiceover discusses the animal and end when the voiceover starts discussing the second animal. Repeat this process for the other 2 animals. Once you are done, click on Share and download the video as an MP4 file. Step 6. Now that our animated character and animated background are ready, it's time to merge everything and add the final touches to our educational YouTube video. For today's demonstration, we will be using CapCut, a user-friendly video editing tool known for its seamless integration of all elements. Start by importing all the generated files, including the background video and the character video. Now let's apply the chroma key effect to the character video to remove the green screen background and seamlessly integrate the character with the animated background. Resize and position the character on the screen as needed, making sure it doesn't block any important visuals. Finally, click on Export to save our video. Congratulations! You have completed creating your first animated video.
Once upon a time, in a cozy little farm nestled between rolling green hills, there lived 3 best friends, Kitty the curious cat, Dizzy the playful dog, and Daisy the gentle cow. They were inseparable and spent every day exploring the wonders of their farm home. One sunny morning, Kitty decided it was time for a grand adventure.